Hello friends, so welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier, and in this particular video I am going to discuss one very important issue related to Hawk transformation, very important problem. Okay, so we have seen in our previous video that Hawk transformation is basically used to map our points from XY coordinate space to our parameter space or MC plane or slope intercept plane, right? And the requirement for using this particular transform is nothing but joining the disconnected edges from present in an image which we have achieved using edge detection technique, right? That may be Sobel or Kenny or Prewitt or any other, right? Now suppose consider 2 points, okay, disconnected edge point of our original image. Okay, one coordinate is 2,1, another one is 2,2. Okay, and you can clearly understand as the x coordinate same but y coordinate different, that means these 2 points is nothing but connecting line is one vertical line having slope infinite, because you know from the fundamental concept of straight line that one vertical line have infinite slope and one horizontal line has zero slope, right? Now let us try to find out the straight line using Hawk transformation. Okay, so what we do, we take the slope intercept form of our straight line y equal to mx plus c, and if we just rearrange we will be having c equal to minus of mx plus y, where we know the x and y value of these two coordinate. We will put that, we will be getting two straight line in our MC plane or slope intercept plane. That two straight line connecting point will be the solution or slope and intercept value of this straight line connecting these 2 points, right? As simple as that. So y equal to mx plus c, c equal to minus of mx plus y. So put those values for 2,2 point, you will be getting this particular equation, c equal to minus of m into 2 plus 2, and for 2,1 point you will be getting c equal to minus of m into 2 plus 1. Okay, so you can clearly understand for these two straight line present in our plane of MC or slope intercept plane having same slope, that is you can say minus 2, and as a result they will be having parallel line, because if two lines having same slope, that means they are parallel line. Now let us try to visualize this in MATLAB. Same simple code. Okay, CLC clear all closure warning off. I am taking two parameter m and c equal to minus of m2 plus 1 and c equal to minus of m2 plus 2. Two line equation I am taking, I am plotting using f plot, because these are symbolic expressions, so you need to use f plot instead of plot. Okay, and I am using grid on and hold on I am using to plot two straight line on same figure window. I am using grid on to make grid so that we can find out the intersection point. But if I run control A and evaluate selection, I will be getting this particular two parallel straight line, and as a result we cannot find any intersection point of these two straight line. Okay, and here is the problem. See what we do in case of Hawk transformation, we try to find the intersection point of those two straight line, and that is our solution. But here these two straight lines are parallel, that means they will not at all intersect anywhere, so we will not be finding m and c value which will connect these two particular points. Okay, so basically using Hawk transformation we can conclude there is no such straight line possible which can connect these 2 points or disconnected edges in our image, right? But in practical scenario, in this particular image, by simple observation we can say obviously there is one straight line present connecting these 2 points, right, which is having infinite slope. Okay, we can say there is presence of straight line, but Hawk transformation is unable to give us the particular straight line connecting these 2 points. So this is the problem which we face during applying Hawk transformation when the two connecting points have infinite slope, right? So here Hawk transformation, this particular slope intercept form fails. Now how to solve this particular problem, that I am going to discuss in my next video. Stay tuned till then and try to think how you can solve this. Okay, do some brainstorming, and if you come up with the idea, don't forget to post that idea in the comment section. Okay, thank you for watching.